The rollout of Apple's M5 Mac Studio has been plagued by successive delays. First expected late last year, then pushed to early 2026, Apple has now officially shifted its target launch window to October. However, this delay isn't a symptom of engineering trouble or weak consumer demand. It's the result of a global macroeconomic bottleneck that makes this upcoming workstation more fascinating than ever. Right now, the tech industry is locked in an unprecedented arms race to build out cloud AI infrastructure. This enterprise boom has triggered a severe global shortage in high-performance DRAM and NAND storage. Even Tim Cook has acknowledged that supply chain flexibility is exceptionally low, with component pricing increasing significantly. The real-world impact is visible today. Current Mac Studio inventory is heavily constrained, and certain high-memory SKUs have vanished entirely from Apple's storefront. Apple simply cannot secure the raw component volume required for a massive M5 launch. Hence, the strategic push to October. But the hardware inside will likely justify the wait. The entry-level model features the M5 Max, an architecture boasting an 18-core CPU, split into 6 high-performance super cores and 12 performance cores, alongside up to a 40-core GPU. But the paradigm shift lies in how Apple is handling artificial intelligence. Instead of routing workloads solely to a standalone neural engine, Apple has integrated dedicated, hardware-level neural accelerators directly into every single GPU core. Graphics rendering, 3D workflows, and local large language model execution can now benefit from native AI acceleration simultaneously, yielding up to a 4 times faster AI model response rate over the M4 generation. For extreme workloads, the M5 Ultra takes over. Utilizing Apple's UltraFusion interconnect to merge 2 Max dies, it scales up to roughly 36 CPU cores and a massive 80-core GPU. But its true competitive edge is memory capacity. Supporting up to 192 GB of unified memory paired with a massive 800 GB per second of bandwidth, the M5 Ultra eliminates the hardware bottleneck for data scientists and developers. Large local models like Llama 70B, which demand roughly 42 GB of memory just to execute properly, can run locally with headroom to spare. Visually, the industrial design remains unchanged, retaining its ultra-compact aluminum footprint. However, the connectivity gets a massive upgrade with full Thunderbolt 5 support across 6 ports, alongside HDMI 2.1, 10 gigabit Ethernet, and a rumored new space black finish. Pricing is expected to reflect premium workstation standards, starting between $1,999 and $2,199 for the M5 Max, and scaling past $4,299 for the M5 Ultra. There is a profound irony here. The very desktop machine Apple engineered to pioneer local AI development has been delayed because tech giants are building too much cloud AI infrastructure. But when it arrives this October, it may stand as the most capable workstation Apple has ever conceived. If you are currently on an older Intel Mac or an early M1 chip, this will be an astronomical leap. Are you willing to wait until October, or will you look elsewhere? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.